Oakland, California, May the 31st, 1928. A large crowd has assembled to watch the takeoff of what may prove to be the most momentous flight in history. Painted along the fuselage of the squat Fokker aircraft is the name Southern Cross. At the controls is the Australian aviator Captain Charles Kingsford Smith, universally known as Smithy. Beside him, his Australian co-pilot Charles Alm. They are accompanied by two Americans, navigator Harry Lyon and radio operator James Warner.
Here we come!
What was that, Smithy?
Oh, never mind. Just settle back and enjoy the flight.
p.m., 6 hours out of Oakland.
We're not going to make it as headwind keeps up, Smithy. We'll be out of fuel before we're halfway to Honolulu.
Which reminds me, old son, I never thought to ask you, can you swim?
With nightfall, the wind drops. The vast expanse of the Pacific shimmers under a full moon. 11:30 p.m.
There she is, Smithy! Mount Kea! Dead ahead!
You little beauty!
At Honolulu's Wheeler Airfield, thousands of waiting people echo the excitement of the four aviators as they touch down to complete the first leg of their epic flight. The Southern Cross is not the first plane to reach Honolulu from California. Others have made it, but none has ventured further south. Daybreak, June the 3rd. The towering peak of Mount Kea is obscured by cloud as Smithy and his companions embark on the second leg of their journey to Fiji, a pinpoint in the ocean more than 3,000 miles away.
Trouble, Smithy. Radio's packed up. I can't get a thing.
Keep trying, Jim.
There's no use. The generator's gone. We better turn back.
How the hell with that? Who needs a radio anyway?
I've been in storms before, but never one like this. Can't we get above it, Smithy?
We're at peak altitude now. Just hang on to your stomach and pray.
For the rest of the day and into the night, the storm rages on, bouncing the aircraft about like a ping-pong ball. Torrential rain reduces visibility to zero, but somehow Smithy keeps the plane in the air. By 3 a.m., they have passed through the storm, and the 5 twinkling stars of the Southern Cross are in view.
We're in home territory, boys! Nothing can stop us now.
June the 4th, 3:50 p.m. The Southern Cross taxis to a standstill in Suva's Albert Park. June the 8th, 3 p.m. After 3 days in Fiji, Smithy and his companions are off again on the final leg to Brisbane. No sooner are they airborne when their Earth inductor compass fails.
What now, Smithy? If we hit another storm like the last one, We could end up at the South Pole.
He's right, Smithy. This time we have to go back.
Trouble with you boys is you don't have any faith in my judgment.
It'll be dark soon. You'll be flying blind.
Not while I can see that Southern Cross up there.
You won't see it if we strike any more bad weather.
The bad weather's behind us. I've got a feeling in my bones.
So, the bad weather's behind us, is it, Smithy?
Oh, don't blame me. Blame my bones. They've never let me down before.
Barring a miracle, they'll let us all down. In the middle of the Arctic Ocean.
The Arctic Ocean is north, old boy. Everybody knows that.
And the Southern Ocean, then. What's the difference? Water's just as cold.
Though he doesn't admit it, Smithy is a very worried man. He knows that Jim Warner is right, that without a compass or guiding stars, only a miracle can keep them even remotely on course or spare them from a watery grave. Dawn, June the 9th. The storm is behind them, but what lies ahead? The Australian coast or the Antarctic? 9:53 a.m.
I don't like it, Smithy. We should have sighted the coast hours ago.
We lost time in that storm.
Not that much.
Hey, quiet, you guys. There's something coming through.
Calling Southern Cross. Calling Southern Cross. This is Brisbane Airport. Do you read me? Southern Cross.
10:30 a.m. 65,000 people are gathered at Brisbane's Eagle Farm Airport to welcome the heroes led by Charles Kingsford Smith, who've made history by being the first men to fly across the Pacific.